Are you tired of relentless spam calls interrupting your day? In 2025, discover the game-changing iPhone iOS 26 call screening feature that's finally putting an end to unwanted interruptions. This isn't just another setting. It's the ultimate iPhone trick, deeply integrated into your device to silently deflect those annoying telemarketers. We'll reveal exactly how this revolutionary iOS 26 feature transforms your call experience, including the surprisingly effective Ask Reason for Calling option that ensures you never miss an important contact again. Imagine unparalleled peace and quiet, even with your ringer on, thanks to your iPhone diligently screening calls like a digital bouncer. Don't let another spam call ruin your moment. Learn how this incredible iPhone iOS 26 trick works, and why it's a must-enable for every user. We'll guide you through the simple setup process, highlighting why Ask Reason for Calling is typically the best choice, providing the perfect balance between privacy and connectivity. Get ready to experience unparalleled calm and control over your iPhone calls in 2025. Find links in the description below to upgrade your iPhone experience today and activate this incredible spam call solution.